Ever read a piece of code that felt like a locked door, and you didn't have the key? You're not alone. Most bugs don't start with wrong logic. They start with confusing logic. A teammate misreads a variable, you misinterpret a condition, and suddenly a small change turns into a 2-day debugging marathon. So today, here are 3 simple laws that instantly make your code easier to read, easier to maintain, and way easier for future you to trust. Law number 1. Code is for humans first. Yes, computers run code, but humans debug it. Readable code answers questions without a meeting. What does this do? Why is it here? What should I change if requirements shift? So name things like you're explaining them to a smart teammate. Prefer get user by ID over Gooby. Prefer is payment complete over flag 2. Prefer calculate shipping cost over do stuff. Also, make intent obvious in the structure. A clean function with clear steps is better than a smart one-liner nobody wants to touch. And don't fear a few extra lines. Clarity is cheaper than confusion. Law number 2. Make the happy path obvious. When someone scans your function, they should instantly see the main flow. A great trick, handle edge cases early, then let the core logic read top to bottom. Return early on invalid inputs. Return early on missing data. Return early on errors. That leaves the main logic clean, flat, and easy to follow, like reading a short story instead of solving a maze. Another RUI, one function, one job. If a function validates input, formats a response, hits the database, and logs analytics, it's doing too much. Break it up so each piece is easy to test and easy to reason about. Law number 3, consistency beats cleverness. Clever code impresses for 10 seconds. Consistent code saves hours. Pick patterns and stick to them. Same naming style across the project. Same file structure. Same approach for errors, logging, validation. Same formatting rules. Because the moment your codebase is consistent, readers stop interpreting and start understanding. Consistency lowers mental load. It also makes reviews faster. People can focus on logic, not style debates. And here's the big secret. Readable code is predictable code. The less surprising your code is, the safer it is to change. Quick recap. Law 1. Write for humans first. Law 2. Make the happy path obvious. Law 3. Consistency beats cleverness. If you follow these 3 laws, your code becomes the kind people trust, and the kind that scales with your team and your product. If this helped, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel.